So we're here today at the Coupeville Library to take a look at the rain gardens. We have one at our entrance on the north side of the library, and we have a second one to the west. Today, of course, is a beautiful day, which we're grateful for. But when it rains down here, the water comes off this hill, and boy, you can see it going across the paved parking lots. The rain garden helps to filtrate that water. It's worked very well. So the benefit of having the gardens here at the library is that we are an educational institution, and it's a piece that we can utilize to educate folks. And signage was developed through the Whidbey Island Conservation District, and people do stop and they do read those signs and learn about it. It's just a really nice compliment to the whole community at large. And low maintenance, it rocks. I wish it was in my house.